Do you ever worry that your child is growing up without a real connection to the Quran? Have you ever tried to enroll them in Quran classes only to see them losing interest or resisting going? Do you find yourself constantly reminding, nagging, arguing, but it's still a struggle? Do you sometimes wonder, is it us? Is it the way they are being taught? Have you been searching for a place that actually makes your child loving the Quran instead of dreading it? And deep down, are you asking yourself, is there anywhere that understands how it's like to raise a Muslim child in a non-Muslim country? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Hussein, founder of Mawaddah Academy, where we teach Quran with love, meaning, and fun. To be honest with you, I started this academy because I kept meeting students, children or adults, who tried Quran classes before, but they left those lessons because the feeling of disconnection. Actually, it's not always the student's fault. Sometimes Quran classes are one-sided. Teacher talks, student lessons, that's it. No interaction, no feeling, and especially for those children, get bored. And the struggle starts. Struggle of the children and the struggle of the parents. Parents is struggling to keep his child on track, struggling to convince him to start his class, to attend his class, struggling to keep him focused. That's where we started to do things differently at Mawaddah Academy. We believe that Quran classes should be interactive, personal, and joyful for those children. And in our classes, students don't just sit and listen. They play, they explore, and they truly participate. Lessons became something that truly they are looking forward to, not something they are escaping from. And for you as a parent, you're not left out. We share progress with you, we keep you involved, and we make sure that you're part of the journey too. We also understand all the challenges that you are facing being a Muslim in a non-Muslim country. Your children don't need only information, they need a role model. That's why our teachers aim to be this positive example connected to the reality that your children live in. Teach Islamic manners and values without isolating your child from the world around him. At a time when distraction is everywhere, our goal is simple, to connect these hearts to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in a way that fits today's world without losing our principles. So, why don't you try it now? You don't want to commit to anything now. Book your free trial now, and you will feel the difference, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.